Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use text prompts effectively in PixVerse. So let's head over first into our website pixverse.ai, but before I want you to go into your favorite browser and go into the search bar. Alright, and as I told you already, go into pixverse.ai that website and tap on enter. So once you are here on the website, what I want to do right here is to go into the left menu right here and go into create and click on it. Alright, so right here I want you to go into the describe the content that you want to create, and I want you to make it effectively. So the text that you will use, I want you to type it and some specific things. I want you to describe the things that you want them to be on the video one by one. Include the subject, action or pose, and background, for example, and lightning, and the style also. So let's go and try to let's try to describe the contents that we want to create. Alright, so before, let's consider that I just uploaded right here a photo of a cat. Alright, so I am not going to type cat. So I can set an example just like a fluffy orange cat. Okay, so I describe the color, and after that I will go into for example a fluffy orange cat sitting on a window. Alright, during sunset. Okay, that's perfect. And about the lightning, I can go into soft lightning or lighting. Alright, the style, cinematic style, for example. And yeah, you have some choices right here of the style. I can go into style, and yeah, I can go into clay, for example, and it will be good with that subject. And yeah, and after you're finished right here of setting up your video, you can just go and hit the create right here, and yeah, the video will be very good generated. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.